car, the engine aside, to say the truth, because the owner of the car don't have money to buy the engine, so that you don't have money. So, and this particular car is 1995 or 1990 model, because it's old vehicle. It's old first Corolla. First Corolla is among of that first Corolla look like that one lady. All that old Corollas have taken value, because as it is like that now, you may work with, we have used the top. This one now remains there, is engine block and piston, and we have opened the bottom plate. You from there and remove the piston. Engine block, the engine block still remain on the car. Not much that you must drop the engine on the ground and change the ring. If you change the rings now and change the main gearing, all those other things, the crank shaft is not good. You may work it and do it, or you change it, you buy another one and fix it, and couple the rings normal. Many things, even if we have many opportunities, because this car they really work it like others, like a power steering rag. If as you use it like this, the opportunity to change it if your own has problem, because there's no space. With this losing that we use it's the space now. So you have to leave with that one. But what is main now is to couple the rings, and because the parts of all these motors, because people prefer all these new motors, but no, it's old motor. You put at the past there, but it's past something in Lagos or whatever. But those are other things that if you couple it, the motor will be served, and you continue to drive your motor and enjoy your car anymore. That is how it is.